Díomh agus fáilte a chuirde, hello and welcome. Welcome to Amhrán na Seachtaine, Song of the Week. Each week on my blog I pick a song and share the lyrics along with a translation and several different versions of the song by different artists. This is a pronunciation guide for you if you would like to learn the song and sing it in Irish. An seachtain seo be míad ag fáileann Trasna na dTonnta, and this week we will be learning Trasna na dTonnta, Over the Waves. Fá, the chorus. Trasna na dTonnta, dul siar, dul siar. Slán leis an uignas is slán leis an gcéan. Geall é mo chraí agus geall í an ghrian. Geall a bheith fille go héireann. Chonaic mo ghóthain de thíortha I ggéin. Ór agus airgid severas an tail. Éiríonn an críonám le bracha gach lé. Sméad dridim le dúthaigh mo mhuintir. Mhuintir an iarthar siad cairde mo chraí. Fáilte is féile bheidh róm ar gach taobh. Ar ágant an taobh seo, sé guím ar an rí, gur lósan a thionfar I Gaeilge. Ar mo chraoil siar ó éirí mo chraí, an aimsir go hálainn is tonnta deas réig. Stiúra go díreach go dúthaigh mo chliamh, sfeig mé in éireann amárach. A PDF with the lyrics and translation along with the melody and an MP3 of the pronunciation guide are available on my website, simply dTonnta.com. Take it easy, simply dTonnta.com/blog, and you will find some links to videos of different versions of the songs, or you can do a search on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc. Tá seamlas de an freisin de Amhrán na Seachtaine ar YouTube. There's also a playlist of the songs of the week available on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below. Má bhain tú soltas, if you enjoyed this or got value, gur míle maith agaibh, thank you very much. Cas Amhrán.